Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to watch NFL games on the Firestick. Download the official NFL app from the Amazon App Store on your Firestick. You may need to log in with your NFL Game Pass, NFL Sunday Ticket, or other subscription credentials to access live games. Subscribe to streaming services that offer NFL games such as ESPN+, CBS All Access, NBC Sports, or Amazon Prime Video. Install these apps on your Firestick and log in to access live NFL broadcasts. If you are an eligible DirecTV subscriber, you can use the NFL Sunday Ticket app on your Firestick to stream out of market NFL games live. Subscribe to NFL Game Pass to watch replays of all NFL games after they have aired. You can install the NFL app or use the Game Pass Direct on your Firestick. Some networks like CBS, NBC, and Fox offer streaming of NFL games through their respective apps. Install these apps on your Firestick and authenticate with your cable or streaming service credentials. Be cautious with third-party apps as they may not be legal or reliable. Stick to official sources for the best experiences and to avoid potential legal issues. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.